Whoa! Who knew I would make it this far? They hated, they never believed me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball, and no, I'm making the keys.
Hey, yo, what's up, guys? Some of you know who I am, some of you don't. Some of you think I'm crazy, and some of you just love me. But no matter what, I love you too. So thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. It means a lot. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. If you like the format, this is the new format we're coming out with. For you and for you only. Stay tuned, guys. We got so much coming out. Tutorials, more pipe welding, anything you possibly can think about. The comments, everything. I want your feedback and I want what you want to build. I'm gonna build it. I also want to come and help you on your projects. So don't be afraid to hit me up and reach out so I can come be right there by your side welding with you. Wally's Welding World. We're gonna take you by the hand and take you on field trips. We're gonna show you things that you might not ever seen before because we want you to learn. We want you to know something. We want to equip you with the right ammunition to go to the next job and soar. Have you guys ever done any of these things? Well, stay tuned. We're gonna make sure that we capture all this content just for you. It isn't for me, guys, it's for you. But stay tuned, because it's coming down the pipeline.